Hi everyone, so today I want to tell you the 12 differences between the Hiboy S2 series and the Hiboy KS4 series. So this would include all four models, so the Hiboy S2, the S2 Pro, the KS4, and the KS4 Pro. And the scooter I have here is the KS4 Pro. So the first difference is the display over here. So the KS4 and the KS4 Pro has a bigger and brighter display, which you can see more clearly under the sun. And then the second difference is that the KS4 series has the brand new frame construction, which is supposed to be more sturdy, especially the tube over here. It fixes one of the biggest issue of the S2 series, which is the broken stem that a lot of people is experiencing. So it should be a lot safer for the KS4 model. And then the third difference is the brake lever. So the KS4 series only has one brake lever, even though this one still has two brakes. So the front electronic brake and the disc brake. But the single lever here controls both. So once you press the brake lever, it activates both the front electronic brake and the rear disc brake. And then the fourth difference is the handlebar. So the KS4 series has a slightly wider handlebar, which is supposed to provide a more stable ride and also give you slightly more space on the handlebar so that you can mount slightly more accessories. And then the fifth difference is the front LED light. So as you can see here, it's a different light. It's supposed to be better and brighter. And then the sixth difference is the screws over here on the stem. So on the KS4 series, they're supposed to have 6 screws over here, as you can see, compared to only 4 on the S2 series. So again, this one should be better construction than the S2. And then the seventh difference is the charging port. So for the S2 series, the charging port is right below the display over here, around the area of this hook over here. However, on the KS4 series, they moved the charging port to here, the red thing, on the tube. And then the eighth difference is the color. So as you can see here, the KS4 series has the completely black coloring, and the S2 series is dark gray. And then the ninth difference is the deck pattern over here. So the KS4 series has a diamond pattern. The S2 series has a slightly different pattern. And then the 10th difference is the cruise control beep sound. So on the KS4 series, when the cruise control is activated, it will only beep once. However, on the S2 series, the cruise control activation is, there are 2 beeps. And speaking of the cruise control, I think it's easier to activate on the KS4 as well. And then the 11th difference is the app. So the S2 series, they have their own S2 app. However, the KS4 is just use the regular Hiboy app. And I believe the S2 Pro offers slightly more settings on its app than the KS4. And then the 12th and last difference is the price. So the KS4 series is around $50 more expensive than the S2 series. So the KS4 Pro is around $50 more expensive than the S2 Pro, and the KS4 is also around $50 more expensive than the S2. So anyway, this is the 12 differences between the Hiboy S2 series and the KS4 series. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.